Hey everyone, Isaiah at SOPHOS Survival here. Let's talk freeze dryer design for just a minute. Okay, this is a question and a thing that comes up quite a bit when we talk to people about freeze dryers. The tilt of the machine. Okay, so I've got my level here and I'm just gonna walk you through a couple of things. Come down here and take a look at this. When you set up your freeze dryer, one of the most important things is to get yourself a sturdy table. You can buy it or build it, whatever, but you want it to be totally level. Side to side and front to back. So if you can see, I've got my level there. Side to side, we're level. Come on over here to the side, and front to back, we're level as well, okay? So you want that to be level, and the reason why is because if you take a look underneath the machine here, there's legs built into this machine. The front little legs there are higher than the back, so the machine naturally tilts to the back, which allows, when your ice melts at the end of your cycle, it will tilt back and drain out and down your drain tube. Come up here to the top. If you look at the top of the machine, you'll see this tilt. It is actually the bubbles forward, so the machine is tilted back. That is how it should be. And then if you come inside here, I'm going to take this gasket off. You look at that bubble and it's tilting downward in the back. Maybe even a little bit more than the top of the machine is, because this cylinder inside is actually sloped down a little bit more just to help that flow. Okay, so that is how it's supposed to be. And then you notice another thing, if I put this level right on my tray there, you can see that it is actually level. So the reason why that is the case is because obviously you don't want your trays to be slanted and have them spill out the back or not be able to fit as much food as possible in there. When you take this tray rack out, you can actually see the legs on the front of the tray rack are really short. The leg on the back of the tray rack's built up just a little bit to kind of counter that, that slope. And so when you put it back in there, it levels it back out again. Take a look inside real quick. That's the drain hole in the back. You want the water to be able to flow back to that drain hole properly. So now if you have issues with drainage, if your water is coming out the front of your machine, you know, as it's melting coming out the front, you probably have some kind of a tilt issue. So that's it. If you have any questions, comments about this, any problems maybe you've had or questions for us, drop a comment below and we'll catch you on the next one.